trying to, get more people interested and make sure this craft isn't lost. At this point, nobody really needs a blacksmith, right. But it's a specific set of skills that it would be a shame if this knowledge was lost.
And I got into blacksmithing probably about 5 years ago, and I did it here at Tryon Arts and Crafts at this forge. This is a great facility. I think it's very unique in the community. There isn't anything else in the community that I'm aware of. Now there are a lot of blacksmiths in the area. It's surprising there's several different groups that get together and do blacksmithing and teach blacksmithing and help each other out. Years ago, when blacksmithing was not a hobby, it was part of a farm. Right now, every farm has got a welder and probably a basic machine shop in it. Back 100 years ago, every farm, or most farms, had a blacksmith shop, an anvil, hammer. It was necessary. They had to, if something broke, they had to fix it. If they needed a tool, they had to make it. It wasn't like they could go to the hardware store and do it. Now we do it as a hobby. Some people are doing it trying to make an income from it.
To take those little dents out that I used when I was growing and straightening up this thing so that we have a nice long straight at both blades piece of really
Tip right there. There you go.
Hang this over the end and just put that on the end of it. Turn it over and bring that little curly cue up like that. Now I'm going to go the other way like that. And again. And now we come to the horn of the anvil if we'd like. And this will take a little doing until you get the trick. When you're working on the horn of the anvil, don't do it this way, 90 degrees to the axis of the anvil. Lay it up against the surface you're going to hit against. Otherwise your hook will wind up on you and it'll get twisted out of the plane. Now it's pretty cold because I'm talking. And we're going to bring it up like this, give it a couple little hits like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat the other end by holding the hooks by the hook end. And we're going to put another pyramid on the other end, but this one's going to be real shallow. It's not going to be a long, skinny one. It's going to be a shorter pyramid, maybe 3/4 or an inch long at the most.
Okay. So far, it's been a very good class. I've been interested in blacksmithing for a number of years. I grew up on a farm, and while we didn't have a forge or anything, we had a shop and with anvils, and we did a lot of welding and metal work. Just not forging with a forge like that. This was the first place I found one locally that was affordable. My wife and I have been coming up here for a number of years. Well, not a number of years, about a year I guess, and taking up a lot of other different classes. She and I both are into silversmith work, and we both make jewelry, and we thought it'd be fun, so we come up and try it.
So was it everything you hoped for? Or?
Yeah. A lot more work than I thought it was. I thought it would be, but these guys that are teaching it, they've got so much experience, and they make it look so easy.